Well, I am Erika Garcia. This is the Employee Development Program for the Diamond Supermarket. The first question is what positions or people do you need to develop? We select five roles. There is Maria Duque, Joaquin's wife. That is because she had many responsibilities across the multiple roles. So the most practical approach will be to specialize in the finalities in the financial side so she can separate the family finances from the supermarket finance. With the rest of the roles, it would be best to delegate them for the other qualified people. This is the way that she better focus in efficiency and internal control. The next role is Pedro Joaquinson's science keyword experience is purely empirical, so he needs understand how to manage the entire or the supply chain. Need to be training in supply chains manager, and so he can appropriate the modern supply chains manager techniques and have all necessary knowledge in logistics and improve the relationships with the suppliers and reduce the inefficiency and cost of the change. The next role is Anna Joaquin Daughters. His knowledge is water. She her she's a part-time job in as a cashier, so she needs to improve his skills, and he has a background in industrial engineering that she needs to apply the supermarket old knowledge. She can improve the operational process and the future project the supermarket and in innovating of the offer added the value to the her customers. The next roles is Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan Sebastian, shelf stockers. They are going to their job but without direction. Among them to share leadership and inventory management, product handle, safety process, procedures, and potentiality customer service skills. To do this, they will need to be trained in different topics and hold the constant meetings so they can to coordinate their efforts. A new role will be customer relationship manager because the supermarket lacks effective communication with the customers. Customers don't see their compliance claims and suggestions are addressed or attend. It is important to have a design person who will centralize all customer interactions and be responsibility of the collecting feedback and resolve the problems or the issues. The next question is what employee attributes do you need to develop in order to achieve your really learning objectives? Maria Duque need to focus in budgeting, financial reporting, internal controls, effective delegation, team leadership, contributing to the supermarket's strategic direction. Joaquinson's inventory control, logistics, procurement, using a software for efficiency management, negotiation, contract management. Joaquin Daughters identified and improved operational inefficiency around of the supermarket process, planning and execute project like a warehouse layouts. Well, the self-stocker, stock rotation, loss prevention, safe lifting, warehouse safety, customer service, basic interactions skills. The new role analyze customer feedback to improve the service, handling compliance, finding solution, using technology to management customer interactions. The next question is who will be a building and maintain development methods, internal workshops, conduct workshops to building an organizational culture, focusing knowledge on how the evolution of team work. External course, enroll the employees in online or in-person courses for specialist skills and verify their ability to attend. Agree to fulfill both responsibilities and apply the knowledge in the hub learning in the supermarket. Integration activities not only do they integrate as a team, but also they have the opportunity to learn the pros and cons of the position so they can contribute of them make suggestions and to focusing in a sense of development. How will to do administrate and support the methods first? A qualified individual how to be assigned to the coordinate the training program, conduct monitoring, and evaluate it. Then a budget will to decide the training, trainings, cost, courses, and software. Along with the program, with the could find a significant percentage of the whole most to attend the university programs. This will do also coordinate the schedule so they can attend the fulfill and their responsibilities. It would be important to conduct the period evaluations and the trainings to identify how is contributing the improvement as well to use spaces where the employees can be comment on where this program have improved their performance. This is very important to manage and other members of the management family be the first access it in this program and set at the example of the professional development. Since if the management doesn't so, the result will do response positively. Thank you.